could run it.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing my beauty boxes for June. Yeah, June. And I will have the prices of the boxes on the screen, as well as the items, the cost of the items, full size. Now one of my boxes, which is the Allure one, does not have all full size, so the only price I will be listing is the full size. I'll try to tell you which ones they are so you know that that's not necessarily what I'm showing you isn't the full size, but the price is. So we will go ahead and get started. This is the Allure box. Okay, so the first thing we got in the Allure box is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow. This is the container right here. It retails for $35. This is a full size, and I'll show you what it is, or what the bottle looks like. I generally like all things that I've ever got from Glow, so I'm not normally huge into the fruit smells on my face, but these products are really good, so I'm definitely going to use this. Okay, so the next item we got is Saturday Skin Pro Probiotic. It says Power Whipped. I think this is a moisturizer. That's what it looks like to me. This here retails for $45. This is full size. And I'll show you what the bottle looks like. The next thing we have is Aveda leave-in conditioner. The full size retails for $13, which is 30 milliliter. Oh, this is 30 milliliter. Okay, so I guess this little guy is $13. Huh. Alright, the next thing we got is Natura Ecos Tukuma Body Lotion. I'm sure I just butchered that, but I tried. The full size retails for $47 and is 400 milliliter. This is only 30. This stuff has to be good. Well, I'm hoping it's good for that price, but there you go. The next thing I got here is a full size of Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Detox Kombucha Rinse. This retails for $28.50. These things are great, especially if you got shampoo and hair product buildup. This is really good to keep your scalp fresh and clean, and I highly recommend doing stuff like this to take care of your scalp. The last thing in here is a cleansing balm. This is from April Skin. The full size retails for $28 and retails for, or is 90 milliliter. This is 10 milliliter. I actually really do like these balms. Typically use them to loosen up my makeup before I wash them off. I know that's not really how most people are doing it. You're supposed to use the balm to cleanse your skin, but if you wear layers of makeup, why not layers of skincare? That's kind of how I feel. I could be wrong on that one, but that's what I do. That is what the bottle looks like. Alright, so the next we got is Eyescream. This is fastly becoming very popular, probably up there with Ipsy and the old Boxy Charm. So we are going to go ahead and look at this. Alright, the first thing we got is Beauty Moon Cosmetics and Eye Beauty palette. This palette is Visage, or I don't know, retails for $30. We are going to open it, and I am going to swatch it because I fully plan on using it. These are the colors. Okay, so these are the colors. They're very shiny. I very much so like them. I don't know if all the colors are picking up. There is a white, there is a black. There's really no neutrals. Your neutral colors are the white and black. But I very much so like this. I'm definitely going to find some usage out of this. I'm very excited. Okay, so the next thing we got is double-sided multi-chrome stick by Charmacy Globe. I am not going to keep this, so I am not going to open this. It's got the plastic I know it kind of sucks because you can't really see the product, but I generally don't use eyeshadow sticks because they don't wear well with me. Sometimes I try them, but usually it lasts like an hour or two and it creases up really bad, and then you can't even tell I wore it. And it has nothing to do with the product, it just has to do with my biology. So I'm just going to stick this into a giveaway. Alright, the next thing we got is Duochrome Sparkle Shadows by Allure Beauty. I've got two of them here. One looks like it's pressed, one's loose. That's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these because I'm going to use these and I want to see what they look like. These together retailed for $38 and they are really pretty. They're actually more creamy than anything. I think this one just got broke in shipping, but it's okay because it's cream, so it's fine. I'm going to make it work. They are really gorgeous. Alright, so next I have this glitter lipstick. I am not going to open it because I don't use lots of lipsticks. I use more gloss than anything. So I'm going to pass this along in a giveaway as well. This is glitter lipstick by Okolon Cosmetics. Again, I don't know the color. I'm not opening it. I'm keeping it sealed for whoever gets it. The last thing in this box is Interstellar Highlight Powder from Living Colorfully from ZC. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I am not really sure. This highlight retails for $35. Let's check out the container. This is so cool. Look at that. It is really cute. So I want to open it. I am going to swatch it if I figure it out. Okay, so again, that is the color. Super pretty. And we are swatching. Okay, so there is the highlight swatched. It is a really pretty golden brown. I actually really like that. It matches my skin color perfectly, so I am thrilled about it. Okay, so we are moving on to the Allure Beauty Box. This one boasts about being all natural, so that is a plus. And we are getting into it. Alright, first thing we got is Allure Beauty Botanical Hydrating Moisturizer, and this retails for $54. I'm a big fan of my moisturizer. If you don't already know, I use it like crazy. You want to stay forever young, moisturize your skin. So that is the container. I'm not sure why it's black. I don't know if the product's back, but guess I'll find out. But I'm not opening it yet because I'm already working through some containers right now. Alright, the next thing is some eye gel cream from Well People. I really like their products. I have not used their eye cream, and I am a big fan of eye cream because several years ago I was actually developing some dark under eye circles and it was freaking me out. And skincare is what cleared it up and not makeup. So I'm a big believer on sticking to your skincare. Eye creams are wonderful, so I'm super thrilled to see how this one does. Alright, so the next thing I got here is a Mudski Root Feeding Hair Mask with Provitamin B5. This retails for $19. I love hair masks. I'm a big believer in them. This one looks like it's more for your scalp because it says root feeding. I'm not entirely sure. It says repairs hair, helps with dandruff, all those wonderful things. And I am going to try it out and see what it does for my hair. The next thing we got is Well People Expressionist Mascara. Now I'm actually using some of this mascara right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one or not because I really like this mascara. It does retail for $20. It performs like it's worth more than $20, so I do highly recommend getting this one. Alright, the last thing we got in this box is a scrunchie. This is from Moonlight Skincare and it retails for $10. It is black. I wear a lot of black, so it's a good color for me. Probably put it on when I'm done recording my videos, so yeah. Alright, so the last box we have here is the Ipsy Boxy Charm box. I still feel weird about it, but you know, we're gonna go through it. They never leave me a thing in the box telling me the prices, so I'm going to have to get online and find it to show you. And of course I will do that, but I am going to go ahead and show you what I got. Alright, the first thing I got is gel eyeliner, black and brown from Toy Factory. I don't know if this is a new company or not, or new to the US, or what it is exactly, but so far I've liked things that I got from them, so I don't really know where they came from or anything, but I'm excited about it. But I did pick this because I am out of black gel eyeliner and have not used any, and there are some looks I would like to try, and I figured eventually I would get some in a beauty box, and I did. So let's pull this out. These are really thin and dainty. I wasn't really expecting them to be that thin. I don't know why, whatever, but yeah, there you go. Okay, so the next thing we got is cleansing apricot oil from Dirty Lamb. I actually really like this company, Dirty Lamb. They make really great products. And like the cleansing balm, I use the cleansing oil in the same manner, so I'm thrilled to be getting that. Alright, so the next thing we got is thickening mascara from Wonder Beauty. It is, I don't really know much about it. It is in jet black. I will say I absolutely like Wonder Beauty. I'm not sure how it thickens. I might give this a try. I might actually leave this open for the simple fact that I wouldn't mind some thickening mascara at all. Yeah, so it comes in a tube. I actually like the fact that their mascara is tube. You can really squeeze out the product and make sure you get all of it. So I'm definitely going to give this a try. The next thing we got is Symbiosis London Unlighting and Exfoliating Cleansing Gel. I am big into my exfoliants for my face. Usually they're a little bit finer because it's your face. You don't want to tear up your pores. But I really like it because it gets rid of all the dead skin. It actually helps prevent breakouts. It keeps your skin from being less irritated. Definitely highly suggest getting exfoliants for your face. Alright, the last product I got here is Gel Cream Cleanser from Allure Beauty. This is a very generous size. I mean, look at that. It's like, it's pretty good. I don't really know much about her products. I mean, I know some people think she's queen, but she's a celebrity. That's does it for me. Anyway, don't know much about her skincare line. I'm interested in seeing how well it actually works. But that is it of my beauty boxes and products. Let me know what you guys think down below. Is there anything in any of these boxes you would like me to review? I would gladly review them. If you don't mention it, I probably won't review it, so mention it and we will see. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.
Close, rewind with my eyes closed. I need a